Hey you guys, I am going to give you some quick reviews on lesson, this says 5, but it should say 7. There we go, for lesson 87. Okay, so last week I sang you a song about your count by 11s and it didn't have the last number in it, so I changed it up a little bit to throw the last number in it. Here it goes. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. There you go. Those are your count by 11s, okay? I'll write them out for you. I'll try to do it really, really fast. It's pretty easy at the beginning because it's just 1, 1, 2, 2. So you would have 3, 3, 4, 4, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132 is the last one, okay? And then with your count by 12s, when I think about my count by 12s, I think plus 10 and then plus 2 more, because 12, a way that you could add to 12 would be 10 plus 2. And adding by 10 is pretty easy, and adding by 2 is pretty easy, so if you split them up, it just makes it easier. So plus 10 plus 2 more. So we have 0, 12, 24. Think about 24 plus 10 would be 34, plus 2 is 36. 36 plus 10 would be 46, plus 2 more would be 48. Here's another pattern that you might be able to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, counting by 1s in the tens place, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, counting by 2s in the tens place. The next one would be 48 plus 2 is 58, plus 2 more would be 60. 60 plus 10 plus 2 more is 72, 84, 96, 108 plus 10, 108 plus 10 is 118, plus 2 more would be 120. 120 plus 10 is 130, plus 2 is 132, and then the last one will be 144. There are count by sheets for you in your packet, so don't worry if you don't have these memorized. You can just copy them down from your count bys that are in your packet. Okay, the next thing I'm going to review with you is this subtraction problem. Remember, when we subtract, we ask the question, is the big number on top? No. Regroup. Cross off the 9, leave it as an 8, put a 1 in front of the 2 so that it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Is the big number on top? Yes. Subtract. 8, 3. Is the big number on top? Yes. Subtract. 3, 2. The answer is 237. The next thing I'm going to review with you are your Roman numerals. With your Roman numerals, there is an extra sheet in your packet that has a whole bunch of helps on your Roman numerals. So you can look at that extra resource sheet to help you with these. There's also this little guideline on your paper, and some of these have been filled out for you too. So those should all help you be able to do them, but I'll help you with this one, and then you could try these 3 on your ownsies. Okay, so we have 163. On your sheet here, it says that 100 is C, and we have 100, so we're going to use a C. C for 100. Woohoo! A good way to think about this is 100 plus 60 plus 3. These are the 3 that we're going to make. We're going to make 163. So 100, we've already done that. Now we have to make 60. There is no 60, but there is an L for 50 and an L for 50 and an X for 10, 50, and 10 is 60. So we'll use an L, X, that is 60. So we've done 100, 60, this is 100, 60, and the last one will be 3. There is no number for 3, but there are ones here, and we can use 3 ones in a row, or 3 I's in a row. So if we go 1, 2, 3, there you go. That is Roman numerals 163. The next thing I'm going to review with you is on the back side of your lesson. Question number, your count bys, these are review. If you can't remember them, look them up on your count by reference sheet. And then number 3 says divide these polygons, close, straight, flat, into 4 equal parts. So this rectangle, you will divide into 4 equal parts. There's a couple different ways that you can do this, but I'm going to divide vertically and then horizontally. So I'm going to divide vertically and then horizontally. And underneath the shape it says shade 1 of the 4 parts. So it doesn't matter which one you pick, but I will pick this one. And I'm done, and I could move on to the next one. The directions for number 3 say divide these polygons into 4 equal parts. Circle the congruent polygons. Congruent means same size, same shape. Which 2 polygons are the same size, same shape? One, they don't have to be facing the same direction, so watch out for that because it's trying to trick you by kind of looking a little bit different, but they are the same, same size, same shape, even if they're laying different ways. That's a huge hint right there. Okay, number 4 says round the numbers to the nearest 10, circle the closest 10. So with this number 143, this is the number in the tens place. So when you're counting by tens, where would you find 143? You would find it between 140 plus 10, 150. You look at the number in the ones place to determine if you're going to round down or round up. Remember, 4s round down and 5s round up. 3 is lower than 4, so it's going to round down. So you would circle 140. The last thing I'm going to review with you is an array. Remember to do your rows first, columns second. So 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That creates 4 times 12 is, and then I'll let you figure that out. Count by 4s 12 times, or count by 12s 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I didn't let you figure that out, did I? I did that one for you. That one's free. Okay, guys, good luck.